Hello guys, in case you are not aware, the RTX 5090 AORUS Master actually has more than 3 fans. Yes, you heard me right. It has a force fan, which can be mounted on the back plate, and they call it the screen cooling plus technique. While this GPU already features a premium thermal solution that includes a composite of liquid gallium metal, passive cooling, and a massive heatsink. In addition to all of that, it comes with this force fan that can pull cool air directly into the heatsink from the backplate side. So we'll see how it performs in this video. Installing it is actually very simple. It comes with a silicone gasket that's tailored exactly to the shape of the backplate ventilated area here. All you need to do is tuck it in into the inner side. Make sure it's set well and aligned properly. While installing the fan, make sure that the logo side is facing outwards so blades orientation are actually set on intake and not on exhaust. It's sitting there pretty securely and you can still mount the GPU vertically as I'll test it in a vertical setup. The fan has two cables, one for PWM for power and another one for ARGP. It also has daisy chain cables so you can connect another ARGP or PWM without wasting an extra port. In terms of speed, this fan has a maximum speed of 1600 RPM. And for this test, I'll keep it running at full speed. As for the GPU main 3 fans, I'll set them to a fixed speed of 2000 RPM to normalize the noise level. Here I'm running 3D Mark Port Royal 20 loop stability test. You can see both setups side by side comparison with and without the force fan installed. After completing those 20 loops, we can see that the frame rate stability improved by 0.2%. Nothing significant, but wait until you see the temperature graph. Without this extra fan, temp average at around 78 degrees, while with the fan, it's 76. We can see that on average, the additional fan helped cool the GPU by around 2 degrees. Not bad at this heavy load. In FurMark, I ran the test for over 30 minutes at a sustained 600 watt power draw. Without the fan, the GPU temps hover around 80 to 81 degrees Celsius. But with the fan installed, the temps drop to around 78. To me, it's actually a great thing that this fan can still be used when using the GPU in a vertical setup. And since it pulls cool air in from the back, it helps guiding better airflow. So if you've been wondering what this fan could add to cooling the AORUS Master, I hope this video has answered it all. Also, if you are curious, I also did a cold wine test on this GPU, so make sure to check that out too. And I'm also working on an OC video guide for this GPU. So finally, thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you in the next one.